Hi, have you or a loved one been injured in a pickup truck accident here in the Houston, Texas area? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas Truck Accident Lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent, reckless, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and their truck drivers. If you've been injured in a pickup truck accident, go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, pick up your free ebook today, and then give me a call at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. And I look forward to discussing your pickup truck accident case today and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.